Hey Sarah, are you ready?
Ready for what, Jane? Tell me.
The business trip. It's tomorrow.
Oh yes. I almost forgot.
You packed everything you need?
Not yet. Still planning outfits.
How are you feeling about it?
Honestly, Jane, I feel nervous.
Nervous? Why? You'll do great.
I don't know anyone there.
It's fine. You'll meet people.
I'm shy in new groups.
Just smile. Start small talk.
What if they ignore me?
They won't. Everyone feels nervous.
You really think so, Jane?
Of course. Be your friendly self.
Thanks. I hope it helps.
Are you flying or driving?
Flying. It's a 2-hour flight.
That's not bad at all.
I don't like flying much.
Me neither. Take deep breaths.
I will try. Any tips?
Bring headphones. Music helps lots.
I'll make a calming playlist.
Great idea. And chewing gum.
Oh yes, for the ears.
Also, dress comfy for travel.
But we meet clients after.
Wear layers. Easy to change.
Smart. I'll try that, thanks.
Who are you meeting first?
2 new clients, over dinner.
Perfect chance to socialize, Sarah.
I hope it goes well.
Just stay relaxed and kind.
Should I research them beforehand?
That's very smart. Yes, do.
I'll check their company website.
Look at their recent news.
Maybe bring up something interesting?
Exactly. Show that you care.
What if conversation gets awkward?
Ask about their recent projects.
Or ask about their city?
Yes. People love their hometowns.
What if they ask questions?
Be honest. Don't overthink answers.
I'll try to be clear.
Speak slowly and smile naturally.
Should I joke or not?
Only if it feels right.
What about cultural differences, Jane?
Just be respectful and observant.
I want to make friends.
That's a great attitude, Sarah.
I feel better talking to you.
I'm always here to help.
You're such a good friend.
I care. You'll do fine.
Thanks again for your support.
Don't forget your business cards.
Oh no. I need those.
Pack them now. Don't forget.
I'll do that right away.
Do you have your charger?
Yes. Also bringing power bank.
Smart thinking. Always stay prepared.
What should I wear tonight?
Something professional but comfortable too.
Like blazer and nice jeans?
Perfect combo for business casual.
What if I overdress, Jane?
Better than underdressing, I think.
True. First impressions really matter.
Yes. Especially in business settings.
I'll wear neutral colors tonight.
Safe and stylish. I approve.
Should I bring a gift?
Maybe something small and thoughtful.
Like coffee from a region?
That's actually a perfect gift.
Great. I'll pack it now.
You're already doing everything right.
Still feel nervous deep inside.
That's okay. Just breathe slowly.
Can I text you tomorrow?
Of course. I'll cheer you.
You always know what helps.
You'll be amazing. Trust yourself.
Okay, I'll try my best.
That's all anyone can ask.
What if I say something wrong?
Apologize simply and move forward.
Should I keep it formal?
Start formal, then read tone.
I hope they like me.
I know they will, Sarah.
I'll keep an open heart.
That's the best approach ever.
Should I talk during dinner?
Yes. But listen more too.
I'll watch my phone use.
Good. Phones look very rude.
Right. Eyes on the people.
Exactly. Make good eye contact.
Not too much though, right?
Right. Don't stare too long.
I'll nod while they speak.
That shows you're paying attention.
What if I forget names?
Ask again politely. It's fine.
That's a relief to know.
Everyone forgets sometimes. Don't worry.
I'm making a checklist tonight.
Smart move. What's on it?
Clothes, charger, gifts, business cards.
Add notebook and some pens.
Oh yes, to take notes.
And water bottle for travel.
You think of everything, Jane.
I've traveled a lot before.
You should write a guidebook.
Maybe one day I will.
I'd read it right away.
You're sweet. Thanks for that.
Can't wait to tell you.
I want all the details.
Hopefully all good ones only.
Even bad ones are stories.
That's a great way thinking.
Make mistakes, but keep growing.
I'll grow with each trip.
That's the spirit, my friend.
I wish you were coming.
Me too. Maybe next time.
Let's plan a future trip.
Yes. Girls' trip next year.
Somewhere sunny with tasty food.
Beach, books, and fresh seafood.
I'm already dreaming about it.
For now, focus on this.
One trip at a time.
Right. And you've got this.
I'll think of you often.
I'll be cheering you loudly.
You're the best. Truly amazing.
So are you, dear Sarah.
All right, time to get packing.
Don't forget your passport again.
Oh gosh, I almost did.
Check twice. Triple check everything.
I'll set an alarm too.
Early morning flight, right? 6?
Yes. I'll leave by 4.
Get enough sleep tonight, okay?
I'll try, but too excited.
Try meditation before bed tonight.
I'll find a calming video.
That really helps me sleep.
Thanks. I'll give it try.
Safe travels, my lovely friend.
I'll message once I land.
I'll be waiting to hear.
I feel ready now, Jane.
That's what I love hearing.
Your words helped me so much.
That's what friends are for.
I'll keep your voice inside.
Just imagine me beside you.
Laughing and reminding me, always.
Now go shine and connect.
I will. I'll give everything.
Be proud of every moment.
I'll take it step by step.
And keep smiling through everything.
My new motto, thanks Jane.
Go rock that business dinner.
Let's talk when I'm back.